Hey guys, this is Torn with Exquisite Sounds Entertainment, based right here in Atlanta, Georgia. So tonight we're having conversations with sound, and this is our chance to reach out, connect with folks who are interested in us and participating in their wedding, corporate, or social event. So tonight what you're going to see is all of our DJs DJing. You're going to see some displays of lighting, custom gobos, monograms, as well as one of our new photo booths that we'll have here in action as well. It's a great chance to come out, check out the Exquisite Sounds Entertainment crew, and just see what we're all about.